We've arrived at Goose Creek Campground in the Wenatchee National Forest. Camping at Goose Creek Campground is going to be a dry camping experience. Let's go check it out. Adjacent to the campground, you'll find the Lower Chihuahua Trailhead. I'm standing at the entrance to the campground. You'll see the campground sign. And shortly after you clear these gates, you'll see a pay station. This is a fee area. And on the board, I did find the location of the campground. Leavenworth is down this way, Leavenworth, Washington. There's Fish Lake. And right here is Goose Creek Campground. It's within about 20 miles of Leavenworth, Washington. Looks like the camping here is first come, first serve. It's $14 a night. It's half that if you have a Golden Age or Access Pass. You'll find some creekside camping at Goose Creek Campground. This is campsite number 1 as you first enter the part of the campground that extends along the creek. And there's a number of different campsites down through here. But let's walk down to the creek and take a look at this creek. Looks like we have a vault toilet. Picnic table right by the creek. Oh yeah. Oh, that campsite's got a campfire ring set up, perched right above the creek. Let me get in for a closer look. Ah, that's what I'm talking about. That's some creekside camping. Okay, well, let's go down through the campground and see what kind of campsites we have. It sure is pretty. So on the other side of the vault toilet, we have another creekside campsite. There's no fires right now, but there's the fire ring and their picnic table. That is campsite number 3. That's the one I just showed you that had the picnic table set up, perched above the creek. Looks like we have a water spigot. There's no threads, but there is water that comes out. It says, please hold for 1 minute for water to come. This is dry camping. I hear a generator. There's campsite number 4. I'm not sure if that's all one campsite or not. Probably is, because I don't see any other markers. So that's all one campsite, campsite 4. And that looks like a nice campsite, although he had to work a little to get that rig level. And in the interior of the campground, you have multiple different camping spurs. I believe this loops around. Let's go check some of the campsites out, see if we can find some good campsites that are up here away from the creek. There was just a handful of sites down there by the creek. This is campsite 6D. You can get a decent sized rig in here. That's your campfire ring and your picnic table. Big picnic table. And this is a lookout at your camping area. And this is a little bit better vantage point of campsite 6D. And I thought this was kind of unusual because you had like a separate parking pad, maybe for a tow vehicle over here. your tow vehicle, and then you had a separate pad for your camping configuration. And it turns out this is a double site. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Yeah, double site, $28 if you have the access pass or senior pass. It'll be half that. A little bit further up the road, and this is a pretty nice site, site 8D. That's all your campsite in there. That's a pretty sweet looking site. My fifth wheel could probably even fit in there. I wouldn't bring my fifth wheel out these particular service roads. I haven't been out the other end yet. I came in from a different direction. But I'm leaning on the side that I would not bring my fifth wheel out here, although I have seen some larger rigs in this particular campground. I'll put some commentary in the context of the video after I leave this campground and go out toward the main road out there by Fish Lake. If the road's decent and I can get my fifth wheel in here, I'll let you know. But this is a nice campsite, 8D. And as luck would have it, site 8D is another double wide, so you're going to pay twice the price for that. And a little bit further back, this one is not double wide. This is site number 9. You can, my fifth wheel and truck would fit in that site. And so there's an option for you. You have to remember this, the location of Goose Creek Campground, you're approximately within 20 miles of Leavenworth, Washington. And there's also a vault toilet up in this upper camping loop. Goose Creek Campground's down this way. I'm standing in a four-way intersection. Fish Lake would be off in that direction. I believe that's Forest Road 62. The road from here to Goose Creek Campground was big rig friendly. Goose Creek Campground in the Wenatchee National Forest. I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description on YouTube. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.